Valentine's Day Keto Cookies Recipe, Crinkle Kisses, Sugar-Free Sweetness. Celebrate Valentine's Day with these adorable Keto Crinkle Kisses, bursting with rich chocolate flavor and a delightful melt-in-your-mouth texture, all without the sugar. This recipe is perfect for baking with your sweetheart or whipping up a charming treat for keto-friendly friends. Ingredients: makes 12 to 15 cookies. * 1 cup almond flour. * a quarter cup coconut flour. * 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. * 1/4 teaspoon salt. * ½ a cup softened unsalted butter. * ½ a cup powdered monk fruit sweetener, or erythritol. * 1 large egg. * 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. * 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. * 1/4 cup sugar-free chocolate chips, optional. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 165 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together almond flour, coconut flour, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. 3. In a large bowl, cream together softened butter and sweetener until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Do not overmix. 5. Stir in cocoa powder and chocolate chips, if using. 6. Drop heaping tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving space for spreading. 7. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until cookies are slightly firm around the edges and crackled on top. 8. Let cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips. * For a richer chocolate flavor, use dark cocoa powder. * To make the cookies extra decadent, drizzle them with melted sugar-free chocolate after they have cooled. * These cookies can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. These Keto Crinkle Kisses are sure to steal your sweetheart's heart, and maybe a few extra. There. * Keto-friendly, no sugar spikes here, just pure guilt-free indulgence. * Easy to make, with simple ingredients and minimal steps, these cookies are perfect for beginner bakers. * Customizable, add your favorite keto-friendly mix-ins, like chopped nuts or dried fruit. * Adorable and festive, the crinkled tops and rich chocolate color make these cookies perfect for Valentine's Day. So ditch the store-bought sweets and bake up a batch of these Keto Crinkle Kisses for your special someone, or just for yourself. They're the perfect way to say, "I love you," in the sweetest way possible. Happy Valentine's Day!